Hey YouTube fam, don't come for me, okay? Yes, this is the same exact look that I had in my other video. I don't feel the need to change for y'all because you already know what the deal is. But we are all quarantined and I am a queen of ordering online. Like, even before quarantine, it's just an excuse to order online at this point. Like, ask me what I'm doing all quarantine. Work and tracking packages, okay? I figured it would be cool to just show y'all exactly all the things that I've gotten within this quarantine. I don't think it's a lot. I think I've gone to the grocery store and purchased wine more than I've purchased online, which is good. And if you love this look, I did not record it, but you can make sure you go check my other video with me talking about these lashes. One of the very first things I've gotten while we were quarantined is a wig making kit. No, I don't do hair. I just got a wig making kit, you know? Like, so I had this vision of this wig that I wanted to make. And granted, I don't do hair. I don't really know how to do hair. Like, granted, I know how to sew, so I figured I could sew something on a cat. And that was easy, but that closure, that frontal that I added, that shit was hard. Literally, I took it apart and made it maybe good 3-4 times. Salute to y'all hairstylists, because that is not easy. Making a whole wig, like that's not easy at all. Okay, I will show you exactly how that turned out. I think it turned out pretty nice, you know, for my first time, but it still needs some work. Okay, and I figured a task like that will keep me busy, which it did. Okay, I should have just said this first to get this out the way, to be honest. Y'all know I was gonna order some makeup. Like, y'all knew I was gonna order some makeup. So what kind of makeup did I get is the question. So one of the things that I've gotten while we were in quarantine was the Crayon Box eyeshadow palette that I did a review on. This right here. So, you know, I was hyped about that. You already seen it though, so let's only talk about this. And if you didn't, make sure you go see it. And what else did I get? Yo, I ordered a bunch of stuff from ColourPop. Why it still ain't come? Like, we're going past a month and I still have yet to get my ColourPop. Like, I ain't getting out of ship, tracking, nothing. Like, I can't track it with nothing. I really need setting powder at this point. Like, I made a whole nother order at the Crayon Box with their chalk dust that I was talking about in the first video, trying to figure out exactly how that is. So I'm excited to try that, and I'll track that because I did get a tracking for that. Anyways, other makeup that I got were my PLouise bases, y'all. So some of y'all already know, like, I really rave about PLouise. Like, their bases are bomb. What I've already had was the basic bases. Like, this is the shade 3. So it's kind of like my concealer color, basically. The ones that I got like this baby blue. I got this baby pink. And I got this like hot orange. And this like nitro color. It's like, this is also part of the Mitchell line. It's a little bit more intense blue. These bases are bomb because, like, you could really get creative. I haven't really had a chance to practice any of that or even use some of these bases. Last thing in makeup is I accidentally bought these makeup brushes. I'm saying accidentally because I just wanted to see how much the price was when I got to the shopping cart, and like, it went through. I'm just like, F it, like, it's just makeup brushes. I think I spent like $8 on them. So yeah, just got 2 random brushes. This one's dirty, so don't judge me. It's like a flat, dense brush, and this one's a cute, fluffy one. And they're pink, so they're cute. Okay, so the next thing that I've gotten while in quarantine is clothes. I didn't go crazy like I need to though, because I need some new stuff. But I have this photo shoot coming up for my birthday, and I'm super excited about that. So of course, like, I need everything to be on point. So I got basically all the details in line. I just need to figure out exactly what I'm wearing. And I did find an outfit, which I'm not going to show y'all, but I got that from Boohoo. So when you see the pictures, you'll know it's from Boohoo. I got like some cute jeans that I'll put right here. a cute bodysuit top. I think that's pretty much it with clothes. I'm trying to figure out exactly how I want my hair to be, but I know I need some hair. So I just needed something affordable and that's gonna look the part for this day. Let me show you exactly. First off, look at these whack lashes. These hair supposed to be trying it, like, and I'm pretty sure the length was 20, 22, 24, 26, and it was supposed to be the thicker. I'm gonna wash it this week. It's been sitting here for like a month now. And this is the hair. This is the 4 bundles. Like, look mad thin, yo, mad thin. 4 bundles of what? Like, of what? But you know how when you wash it looks better. So we're gonna see exactly how it looks after I wash it. But yeah, I bought weave. I bought some waist beads. My friend posted hers and I'm like, now I want some. So yeah, I got waist beads. I got them off of Amazon. I think it was like $8 or something like that. And then y'all, I got this bomb water bottle that I seen off of this girl off Instagram that I follow. And she do like workout videos. It is a gallon jug. This joint is lit, okay? For one, it has a handle. A lot of gallon jugs, I don't think they really have handles. I don't know. Not only do it have a handle, it got a little strap right here. But yeah, this is cute because like they have different times of when like you're supposed to be drinking by. So 7 a.m. good morning, 9 a.m. you got it, 11 a.m. remember your goal, 1 p.m. that's it, 3 p.m. keep drinking, 5 p.m. no excuses, 7 p.m. a little bit more, 9 p.m. well done. So this is super cute. And then another thing that I like is that it has a straw. And when quarantine is over, I'm gonna fill this up with a Bahama Mama or something because this is gonna be all liquor. And I'm gonna keep drinking and no excuses and a little bit more. All right, so 2 more things, and these are a little bit more on the expensive end of what I got during quarantine. I got a new mirror, as you can see. So yeah, this is the mirror. It's super cute. I'm trying to show y'all my room is a mess. And my toes, man. Quarantine toes. Okay, y'all, so I switched cameras, so if the lighting is weird, I do apologize. But of course, I want to show y'all the last thing I got, right? So my phone was completely broke. Not completely broke, like I will switch cameras again so y'all can see exactly what I'm talking about, but that phone was done for. Like, it wasn't moving, it wasn't doing exactly what I needed it to do. I got the 11 Pro space gray. Yeah, I absolutely needed to get this because I wanted to be creative and show y'all more videos, but how could I do that? And my phone is literally blocking my blessings. I got some like accessories for my phone on Amazon, of course. I got the screen protector. I got the covers for the lenses. I already broke one, can you believe that? But yeah, I got this clear case. Of course the temper glass for the lenses. Just show y'all exactly. This is what it looks like. I'm glad I got this though, because like the last thing I want to do is mess these lenses up. Like, this phone is purchased because of the camera, so why would I want to damage that part? You feel me? And then I just got some cute cases. I love colors, especially yellow, and just to be able to switch it up. I think so far I've put the yellow and the red and the green on there. Hold on, let me show you exactly what this damn phone looks like, because you can already tell how much better this camera is. Like, that's crazy. That's really crazy to me. Show y'all my Chick-fil-A at. But look at the crack. So it starts here and it just spiders down. And then when I had dropped it, it took all the censorship out of the middle of the phone. So let me show you. I'm gonna go to TikTok, because every time I go to TikTok, oh, the back is cracked too. So anytime I get a notification like this, you know with an iPhone, you always gonna get a notification like this. But like I said, the censorship is taken out of the middle of the phone. So I can't press none of these. Literally, I have to exit out of the whole thing. Oh, it's frozen. Can't do nothing. Can't do absolutely nothing. This is why this phone is trash. This is why I need a new phone, y'all. Like, I couldn't work with this. Like, I just couldn't. Like, how am I gonna edit something with this? I can't. There's no way. I couldn't even order a simple Chick-fil-A with this damn phone. But yes, so that's all the stuff that I got. I know I have a problem. That's it, guys. I'm gonna go track some packages. Track that crayon box package I got, and that other one I had got. I'm gonna tell y'all about. But thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it.